Alrighty guys, and as you can see, today is this nice sunny day in California. So we got the little solar powered car outside, and it's in the shade now, so it won't start once you put it in the sun. The problem with the car is, even though it's getting sun, it doesn't really produce that much power. There we go. It's got a little bit more power there, but it kind of has to be angled like this, so once I put it down, it won't really get it. So yeah, you saw, if I lift it off the ground, it has all the power it needs, but the second it's out of the sun, or the second I put it down, it just doesn't have the power to move. So it's a bit of a bummer. Having said that, if you turn on the actual batteries and use the remote control that it comes with, you see it does actually get enough power. It'll go forward and back, so it works great as a RC car if you use Duracell batteries, but the sun is not really strong enough to get it to do much. Now the other thing I can do is remove the batteries to see if less weight will do something. So we'll try that out. Remove the batteries, because sometimes weight management does some good stuff. Let's see, we'll get some power from the sun, and it kind of works, but not for very long. So that's my 2 cents on this car kit that we bought. It's pretty good in some regards, and in other regards it still needs some work. But anyway, hope you guys like this video. And that's right, what she said.